Hi friends, this is Apurv and I am in class 7. We were building a continuing app on our Thunkable, which was a calculator app, and we have done the design part till now. So we are going to duplicate this project and do the left one part of the blocks part. So your app is completely ready. So I have copied my this project, okay, and I'm going to open at my screen. Okay, so this is my screen. We have done till here. Okay. Okay. Some last thing to add here is we have to divide the numbers and we should rename it btn divide. Yes, now it will be a perfect tab. Okay, so let's get started. We were going to our block section. So this is I have written this code pre-built for this project. So when button to add is click, we were we have added this button on the welcome screen. So navigate to addition. I have got this block from here. Okay, and same for everything. Control C, Control B. When btn add is click, um, then we have to set the output add text to um we have to add maths function here to plus two numbers. Okay, so first we have to get text from input add 1 and cancel input add 2. Okay, so then when we click on this button, it will calculate the input adds one's text to this, and we can add one more thing also here. Uh, if it puts. Okay, so if input add 1, uh, I'll write the code fast way. So if you don't understand, I'll give you a basic understanding after this, doing this. Okay, so let's do it this way only. And then set it to if is equal to null. We have entered not a value which is available. So set it to null. I have write this code. So set text sets hint to please enter the number, and I'll control C it, and same for input at 2, and I'll do what, I'll copy this and set this to please enter the number. Okay, so I'll show you how will this work. So if input adds one's text is equal to null, then if we have not put any value to input add, so it will give a hint, please enter the number, and same for input at 2 also, it will give a hint, not a text but a hint. And if input at 2's text is equal to null, we have to give this reminder again. Okay, so we are done. Now we are moving towards the subtraction part. I'll do what? When button sub is click, I've just changed the out IDs. Okay, so don't get confused. It's very easy. And okay, so is and okay, done. Oh no, a misclick. Now I will be changing it to output will be multi and okay, and I'll type here please. Okay, I'll control A, control C, control A, control V. Okay, it is very easy. If you will see like a coder, you'll understand it quickly. Okay, it's a drag and drop tool, so it's easy to use, very easy. If you don't have any skill, you can perform this. You can add exponent sign also, but we'll not do this in this video. We'll do in the next video. Or this is an assignment for you. Okay, by adding the exponent character to your calculator app. Okay, so we have not set here, and the last time I have copied, I have pasted it. Okay, so I do think this will work. So let's check it. So first we have to go. Okay, we forgot one thing to do. We forgot to add button home divide. Click navigate to welcome screen. Output sub not button home sub. Okay, so now our app will be running. You can check it from preview page also and from any web page. So first we would add 2 and 2. So output will be what? 4. Home, then we'll go to home and then subtract the numbers. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Home, and then if we will multiplying this 2 into 2, output will be 4. And if we will doing some division exercise, so 2. So it is going right correctly, and our app is done now. Okay, so you can add some features here. I have made it a very basic app. You can add many as features. Okay, so if you like this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe this video so everyone can make this simple app and publish it to Android or iOS or a web app. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you next time.